Okay, so let's talk through the trade management of the trade shown on the previous page. So how would you manage this trade? The entry is marked out as shown, and the rules for this trade is that the stop is placed at the low of the bar before the entry bar. Our break even is after 50 pips, and our target is determined by trading the bar by the lows after the break even point. So where would you place your stop? Our stop is to be placed at a low of the bar before the entry bar. This here is the entry bar, because that is when price breaks through the black line, and the bar before is this red bar right here. So our stop should be placed below the low of the red bar. Where are we going to break even? Well, we need to break even after 50 pips. So if we look at our entry, we see that our entry is at 1.5970. So when we add 50 pips to that, remember the fourth decimal place is 1 pip. So if we look at the 5970 and add 50, we get 6020. And if we try and find 6020, we will see that is around about this price right here, 1.6020. So our stop is moved to break even when the price reaches the red line. That means when this price is hit right here, we will move our stop from the original place to the entry price. So where would you exit your trade? Our exit is determined by trading bar by lows after the break even point. So what we're saying here is, after this price right here, we are going to exit as soon as a low is broken. So let's see, we've got this low here, we've got this low here, then we have this low of the red bar here, and as we can see, the next bar, the low of the green bar goes lower than the low of the red bar here. Therefore we would exit at that point. So we will sell our position when the low of the red bar is broken. So what's our risk reward here? Well, we've got our entry at 1.5970. We've got our stop approximately at 1.5946. So it's roughly in the middle of those two prices there. And then we have our exit roughly in the middle of these two prices here, which is 1.6062 and 1.6049. So the amount of pips between the entry and the exit is around about 85 pips. And the amount of pips between the entry and the stop is around about 21 pips. Therefore, when we divide the reward by the risk, we get a risk reward of just over 4 to 1. So I hope you got that right. If you just continue over to the next page, we'll go through another example.